hello, good morning. It's been 6:50 again. So, gising ko, shoppers. I'm going to jogging into Obo Station again. So, see you guys in here. Stay tuned.
The floorboards creak beneath my feet. A quiet hum, my soul's heartbeat. Windows whisper tales untold. In this house I'll never grow old. This is home where the shadows play, where the sunlight dances every day. The walls hold secrets, the air is free. Home is where I'm meant to be.
Let me show you guys. Look at it.
Kettle sings a mellow tune.
Like yesterday afternoon.
Evenings bathed in silver moon. Blankets drape on worn out chairs. Love lingers softly in the air. This is home where the shadows play.
O ano yung pangalan mo kailangan sa kanya? Beetle? Ay, yung pinangalan
So guys, bumili ako ng ube cake. Binili ko yung kanina galing sa Session Road. At saka yung bulaklak, binili ko para kay Mami. Happy birthday, Ma. Love you. Daddy, hello. So ito lang. Ito ang pagkain namin. Yun lang. Pika-pika lang. So mamaya lalabas kami. So see you guys later. Hotel Grande. Yay, andito na kami. Dito na kami, yay. Ay, joke lang, mamaya pa gabi pa. Mamaya pa ng 6 PM pa guys. Sorry, debated. So, later pa guys. So, atat pa. And we are here already at Wright Park. Lakad-lakad lang konti. Okay. Actually, it's good. Yeah, we are here at Wright Park. Kapabaan na rin as usual. Tada! Here. Nakakamiss pumunta din talaga sa Baguio. Bakasyon lang talaga as usual guys. All is good guys. Here. Sabi namin ng yun namin. Look at it, guys. Sorry, guys.
Yan yung kaninang walang kayo lumapit, hindi kami.
Oh my God.
Dito kami sa shoot.
Yun na yung yung sabi ng parents ko. Bakasyonan ng mga to mga congressman. We're gonna find some crocs in here. Nasaan na kayo? Nasaan na kayo? Papakita kayo. It's actually good here, dudes. That's awesome. Ang daming tao rin as riders. Aming mga turista, mga locals, mga foreigners. Oh my God, bad pronunciation, my bad guys. Look at it. It's good here. Can I go back pa either? Yeah, it's good. Then we're going here. Let's see, guys.
Mag-book po ka muna sa book. Online ba?
Online pa.
2 to 3 days.
Okay, mapabook muna pala.
Para pumunta na kabukan. Yes, ma'am.
Kailangan muna magpabook. Sorry. Hanggang dito lang tayo, guys. Mabago ah. Ano kaya yan?
Puntahin na lang doon na mas better. Tignan nyo kung may slot ng walk-in doon sir. Pwede po try slot.
Ano pa ano?
Mag-walk-in daw, kailangan daw mag-ano.
Kuya, saan po?
Dito daw.
Bawal pa daw po pumasok. Hindi pa tayo lalabas galing mo ngayon, pumasok.
Bawal pa?
12:30 po yung registration.
12:30 pa raw. Kahit
Ay, wala pa daw?
10 minutes pa raw. The mansion.
Pero,
Kailangan may entrance fee muna bago makapasok sa mansion pa. What the heck? Alright.
Ako 46, 47, saka yung
Alright, meron ako.
ilan taong ano ba na?
Alright.
maganda yan lang pag nag-motor tayo.
Sir, yung souvenir na binili niyo ba gusto niyo ilagay sa locker? Para hindi niya bitbit. So ito po ma'am, ang history na ito, malalaman niyo po later on doon sa taas, bibay ko naman. Okay po. Bahay ugnayan. Teus Mansion, ginawa natin po yung museums. So, bahay na yan dedicated to our current president. Ito po, makikita po natin doon yung sasakyan na ginamit niya during this presidential campaign and other campaign materials. Teos Mansion, just like Baguio Mansion House, residential museum na po siya. Ito po, located din po sa Malacanang compound. So, nandyan po yung mga original items po natin from our first president. Yung shoes niya po ni Pangulong Emilio Aguinaldo, damit po ni Pangulong Laurel. Dyan po, makikita po natin. You can visit the museum by booking a reservation sa museums.gov.ph. Kung wala pong bayad yan. Other structures, Goldenberg Mansion, Lateral Mansion, Kalayaan Hall, this is not open po to the public. Dito po ginaganap ang mga special events ng ating Pangulo kung napapanood niyo po sa mga balita o sa vlog po ng ating Pangulo. Yan po ang ginaganap ng mga special events. And Malacanang party na tawag na rin po natin bahay Pangulo kung saan ka nakatira ang ating current president po. Okay po lang kayo mga men, sir. Yung driveway po na yan, that will serve as your entrance and exit. Bawal po tayo mag-picture. Alam po kung maganda yung view. Pero since ang the mansion po ay still the official summer residence of our president, for security purposes, bawal po muna. But inside the mansion po, meron po kayo makakasamang tour guide, sasabihin na po kung saan kayo pwede mag-picture. So when taking pictures, please turn off the flash of your cameras. Any kind of recording, video, audio, TikTok, bawal na po doon. Pero dito pwede kayong sumayaw mag-TikTok. Pwede po dyan. Ang mga pagkain po, itago po sa loob ng bag o bulsa or naiwan na sa locker. Tubig po, pwede kayong magbaon. You can drink outside the rooms or what we call galleries doon sa loob. Lastly, please do not touch our museum items. Now we have a golf cart. Kung napansin nyo doon, ayun po, nasa likod po. Para po sa ating mga seniors, PWDs, pregnant, sakay po sila. Pero yung malalakas pa po ang tuhod sa ating mga sir. Kasi po, alam niya na po yung sagot, maglalakad po sa akin. Opo. Yung may mga kasama pong senior, pwede niyo pong samahan sila nanay. Samahan niyo po sila.
Kaya pa naman na kaya pa naman na tayo.
We're going here na guys. So hold on guys, may remind lang sa inyo first of all. Baguio Mansion House, reservation are required but walk-ins are welcome too, depending on availability of tour slots. May mga lugar na pwedeng mag-picture at may mga lugar naman are not allowed. Videos are strictly prohibited guys. We can learn a lot from the past, from our first president, Emilio Aguinaldo, to our current president. So, that's all guys. And then, napakita ko also to na-picture ako sa loob ng main entrance ng Baguio Mansion House. Stay tuned. Thank you.
Single.
May oras po ba ito ng alis?
7 minutes daw po.
7? Ah, isa.
Ito pala yung last.
Ay, video.
By the way guys, free ang bus, di ba?
Sa loob lang ng session.
Akit lang, hindi pa baba.
Hindi ba? Sa loob lang ng session.
Ah, okay.
Ayun, sa loob lang naman.
Okay guys, yung bus nito ay free siya. I'm a right day.
Yeah.
Ayaw na maglakad kasi umulan sa labas kasi kaya nagbasa lang kami.
Sir, pupunta lang tayo sa...
Okay, bawal.
Pupunta.
Okay po. Understood po. Sorry. Napagalitan ako. Sige sir, thanks for concern po. Hindi na mo. Mabuti good time kasi umuulan kasi malakas eh. Kaya nagbasa na kami. Yeah, may tour guide. Tour na lang. Okay. Okay guys. So, may pasahero pa.
Nalala mo last. Nagkababay ka.
Ma. Okay. O tapos to, pahinga muna kami sa hotel muna. Tapos punta na kami sa Grand Hotel. Right? Grand Hotel yun, di ba?
G1.
Ah, I see. Okay. Pa, kailan ulit tayo dyan, Daddy?
Ang buhay ko.
Kailan ulit eh? Kailan ulit tayo stay dyan?
Paborito ko.
Kailan? Yun na the best magstay dyan. Kailan di?
Signifies my favorite color.
Isa pa
Color blue.
Isa pang monologue tayo.
Paps! Kailan?
Hello. Ako nga pala.
Next year? Well,
Hilig ako sa tinola.
Isa kayo.
Bakit? Kasi
actually good. And then black pepper chicken. And then some roasted chicken. It's actually good food. Yeah. And then bolognese or lasagna, I don't know. Tignan natin. Sorry about that. Such a good deal. Oh, it's good. It's fucking good.
Ano masyado? Ipakita mo.
Di, tara, mag-SM Baguio tayo. Tara, May, ayapit lang, oh. Ma? Ayun lang, oh, isang bukas lang, oh. Oh, yan ang SM Baguio, oh. Yan na, oh. Tara, lapit lang, oh, isang lakad lang, oh.
Ka dyan, may SMD naman sa atin eh.
Eh, alit lang yun, eh. Tara na, let's go. We are here now in Bahay Likha. So we're going entrance. Mga souvenirs for sure.
Okay to, G.
First time. Ang tangkad ko, man. Sorry about that. Nasa ano ka sa tree house. Ang laki, guys. Check lang, yun lang. Okay. Wow, so soon. Okay, good. Tapos meron pa dito pa. That's cool.
Sa itsura ko kagabi. Naibalitog ko na rin. Nakita mo na yan?
Ang laki pala nito. Oh, mayroon pa lang dito ng theater. Ito, yun may theater pa also. Nice. Wala.
Dito yung meeting ng binababa mo.
Ah, okay. Oh my God. Laki di. Ano isa po? Ano po to?
Rampage Joe.
Rampage special. Ah, okay.
5 piso yung ating Joe. Sorry, sir? Sige, ay, may ketchup po tayo, sir.
Wala ko
Extra ketchup pa daw. Alright, kain tayo guys.
Wow, smile. Pakain na kami. 1, 2, 3, smile. Ito ka na lang, tumayo ka na lang.
Just hold me tight.
We're here, guys. Night market. There's still stalls in here. So what? There's a lot already in Penoy. That's pretty good. Barbecue, whatever you want. Sweet corn. What's that? Japanese food. Okay. Ah, Korean food. Korean Japanese food. Wow, there's a corn dog there too. Chosa too. Then kimchi. Japsay. There's a lot in here, dudes. And there's a burger, hamburger too. Burger. Sweet corn too. What else we have here? Oh, some beverages, some shakes. Boba thing, boba. Hungarian sausage too. There's a lot too. What's that? Ah, another Hungarian too. There's a lot. Where's the mommy? I want to try mommy with egg. And I will show how I eat it. Oh, there it is. There's a barbecue. Later I will buy barbecue or maybe Betamax. Alright, look at it. Yeah. There's a lot of stuff in here. So cool. Kimchi fried rice. I'm not big fan of rice. Back in the day I was. Remember I ate Mang Inasal? I ate 6 cups of rice. I mean 6 cups of rice. My bad. My English are so bad too. But I ate 2, man. In Mang Inasal I ate much rice. Now no, I don't like rice. No more. There's a lot too. Korean street foods too. What is that? Oh, there's some cakes too. Excuse me, guys. Damn, look at it. There's a lot. Wala pa dito yung mommy. I just want to buy. And I will try some. There's another barbecue stall too. Damn, meron pa pala. Meron pa, guys. Damn. Oh, yun lang. Damn, barbecue takoyaki. Ang iwasan ko lang magka-food coma. Dami pa rin, guys, still. Pero nung last Friday something and last Saturday, ang daming tao. Ayun, ang daming mga food stalls. Too. Samosa too. There's a samosa either. Ay, Mexican foods. Not just talk about them. Looks what's in. Okay, I will try. I will buy something. Let's see. Okay, how much the chicken inasal? 110. 110 with rice? Without rice? 100. Okay, I will try chicken inasal without rice. Pwede ba? Okay, I will try. Can you put some veggies if you without rice? It's okay. Oh, alright, I will do. No rice, only veggies. Veggies na lang. Yes po. Look at it, guys. Oh my God, look at that. Yung last Saturday, ang daming tao dito. Pati yung Friday also. So I will try now.
Spicy po yung sauce niyo? Hindi.
No po, I don't eat spicy. Okay. Later I paid, okay? Okay, thank you. Look at that, dude. Looks so good. Thank you. Alright, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, chicken inasal. Yeah, same price, but also I don't like rice, so I swap into veggies. They agreed, so same price, so I will try. Look at it, so huge. Oh my gosh. Okay. First bite, okay. It's actually good. I like it. Super cooked well, actually. I like it. Sapat to sa akin to. Sabi to, 110 lang. 100 lang kung no veggies and no rice. Pero ang gulo ko sensya na. Because I love veggies, I love cabbage. So same price but no rice. But it's good. Just 10 pesos. But I would try. It's good too. Let's see. Veggies. Wow. It's good too. It's fucking good. Chicken. Oh my god. It's good. I love it. So mahal ito na pagkain ko. Wait lang, sorry. Pati ako na tapat na ako dito sa pagkain ko. Masarap na to. No rice guys, no rice. Sarap sa akin to. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. Sobra, sarap. Gusto ko bumalik bukas pa. But tomorrow is my last day. Kasi 5 days na kami sa Baguio. 5 days and 4 nights. We start in from Friday. And then Saturdays and today. Tomorrow is Monday. And then Tuesday of afternoon we're going back to Manila. First but I'm gonna enjoy Baguio today. Kaya lumabas na ako. Whatever kahit hindi mo malakas. Gusto ko pa rin lumabas.
Dalawang ano ate?
Sorry about that. So good. I love it. Dami tao kagabi. Ito madami tao na. Gagi. Sarap yung ano ka, yung chicken inasal dito sa Lean Culture in Baguio City. Good. I like it. Actually, SM Baguio. Unfortunately, sarado na SM Baguio. Hanggang 9 PM lang. Pero it's 9:30 something na. Pero sa Manila na SM kasi hanggang 10 lang or 11. Depends. Pero sarado na SM Baguio today. Kaya I was now in Night Market Obsession Road of Baguio City. Yay! Busog na ako doon. Ang sarap ng chicken inasal ng Baguio City. Much better sa sa restaurant ng inasal. I'm sorry. For my opinion, ang sarap. 110 lang. Without rice 100 pero 110 ako dahil may vegetable ako. Sinabi ko na no rice but vegetable. Pa-add na lang. Pwede naman. It's good. I love it. I love the taste. It's good. Super super sulit, and then yung chicken nila is super cook. Malaman, saka juicy. I love it. Putak sa akin. Ano pa tayo? So how much for yung sweet corn?
50 sir or 60?
50?
Yes sir.
Yes po.
Isa.
Yes po. Okay. Sweet corn.
Hey, yes, ma'am. Pinado sweet corn. Madami.
Look at the cheese.
Mali.
And oh my gosh.
50, 60.
Alright then. I got the sweet corn guys. Look at that. Niluto na yung barbecue ko. I want to try Betamax. I love Betamax, dude. I remember I put the Betamax into bok choy. Damn, it's so good. Just like a blood overload. Look at it. Niluto na. Magkano po ulit po ate? How much po? 175. 175, okay. Yan na guys sa akin. And, hey, let's go. That's good. Thank you, appreciate. Look at it. Damn, looks so good. I like it. I got it. Patong sarap na dito. Okay. So sorry. Look at it, ito na. Mahirap. Kasi hawak ko lang to eh. Order ko. Dalawang barbecue and then Betamax. And then yung apat yung order ko pa niluto pa. So, okay. Shall days. Okay. Dadaan lang guys, okay? Barbecue. Hey. Wow. Yung sauce gagi. Harap. Ang sarap ng barbecue nila. So yeah, ubusin ko na ito muna.
Wait, pause. Pause lang, wait lang. The Betamax. I love Betamax. Look at that. Wow! Kapag good, man. Sheesh! Ang sarap! Sheesh! Ang sarap! Ang sarap! College memories. Nung nung third year college ako, saka nag-OJT ako from my school. Pantay Rizal. Betamax. And then put into Bok Choy. So good. I love it. Look at it. Ang sarap. Yeah, they're here.
May mga ano?
Hindi. Yung ito po sir, hindi na po.
Alin din yan?
Mga combos po yan kasi sir.
So yung ganito lang.
Ako, yung mga pizza.
Ilang pieces chicken yun? Pwede.
3, 6.
Yan, 6 na ganyan.
6? Hindi. Eto, sige.
Dalawa.
Yung sa may buffalo wings pwede rin.
Sa buffalo naman pwede din po.
Oo, nakasama dito. Eto biyan, no? Dalawang 3 pieces.
Sige.
Sige, dalawang 3 pieces nito.
Dalawang 3 pieces, isa 6 na yun.
6, 2 for
Ay,
6.
kuha nga pa nung papalo.
Hindi, yun na nga yun eh.
Ah,
Tatlo po sir.
ayos.
Ikaw, ano? 6 nito. Saka 3. Tugang tayo eh. Ano naman ako?
Itagtag. Ano sabi mo na una?
Yun na, tagtatlo. Sige, tagtatlo nito. Saka, ano yung pizza mo na masarap dito? Patunong na.
Ah, yung pangalan mismo. Yung pangalan
Sana yan?
Danan Rico Supreme.
Yung sa kanila.
Ito, 8 slice.
14 inch po sir.
Oo. Saka, ayaw mo ng buffalo wings yan. Ayaw mo rin ng buffalo wings.
Kayo mahalan po.
Sige, ito na lang yung 6 pieces na lang na ano.
Captain Crunch po.
No.
Or yung buffalo po sir.
Ano mas masarap sa dalawa? Tulungan mo naman ako.
Para
Mas
kahit
marami
sa
ng order. Buffalo. Sige, yun na lang, tagtatlo.
Tatlo.
Oo.
Kasi sa 14 inch na Danan Rico sir.
Oo. Kasi mag-spaghetti ka?
Una po.
Sa spaghetti, ano pwede?
Sa pasta sir.
Kahit yung pang solo na lang dad para
Sige, solo.
sigurado mauubos.
May solo ka pa ng spaghetti?
Spaghetti sir, meron po. Spaghetti tomato sauce po sir.
Ay, ayaw niya ng tomato sauce.
Sige, ako na try lang.
Ha?
Try lang natin.
Sige, try daw.
Carbonara na lang. Bakes, lasagna. Ayan, lasagna.
Sige, lasagna na
Ayan.
po.
Lasagna na lang, sige.
Isa din po sir.
Mhm. Magpa-price ka ba?
Hindi mo na po.
O, baka may nakalimutan kayo.
Okay na din yan.
Drinks, hindi pwede yan ah.
Ako sir. Bali, ano lang po. Hindi naman po kayo mag-serve tayo ng sir. So,
Mhm. Ano, okay na ba yan?
Okay na din.
Yan yan. Sige, eto na, final na. Gawin mo ng 6, gutom kami. Gawin mo ng 6 pieces yung chicken, saka 3 pieces ng buffalo wings. Okay na.
sige po sir. Tapos 14 inch po na Danan Rico Supreme.
May hati ba na pwedeng dalawang flavor dito?
Ma'am, pwede half-half. Pizza. Pwede po.
Anong flavor yung siya ka na, lulo ka na. Anong masarap dito? 5 cheese na lang yun.
Meron po. Yung cheese overload po sir. 5 cheese.
Ayan, sige. Half nito, saka half ng Doritos. Okay.
Tsaka isa pong big lasagna sir.
Yeah.
Order namin ay
6 pieces chicken, 3 pieces na buffalo chicken, lasagna, and pizza.
Kaya dito kami kumakain kasi Eat to Go. Pag install kayo ng Eat to Go, makamura kayo. Dapat exactly yung time yung makapunta kayo. Ang sa Eat to Go ang wala lang ay wala lang drinks lang. Pero worth it ang 50%. Mayroon 50%, 30%, may 10% off. Kahit meron sa Vikings na pwede kayo mag-Eat to Go rin. Magpaano kayo, mag-install kayo. At makaano kayo, makakapid kayo. At sulit dito. Thank you Eat to Go. Ano naman, sponsor naman. So see ya. Oh my god, how much price I got? 1,404.38. Damn. Hey. Wow, look. Wow, looks good. Thank you, sir. Appreciate. 5 cheese and then the special of ano yan? 5 cheese and then special of there we go, right? Looks like amazing. And then we have lasagna and then that's a price. Eh, si Daddy gutom na eh. Yes, oh yeah.
Nag-picture mo kami ng malapit na picture.
Hey. Uy.
What's that? Okay. What's that? Ang tawag doon?
This is not just an video, it's an action book.
What's the other thing?
Yo, what's up, D? How's the food? Yo, how about you, Ma? How's the food?
Yummy.
Bro, sorry talaga, hindi naman pupuluin, susak na eh. Ano na, eliminated na ito, hindi pa eh. Yung chicken nila parang Godzilla eh. Paa, sa likod niya, paa.
Like best pa, best pa.
Damn, so good. Tingnan mo ako, di pa nga ubus eh. So, yan pa nga, oh, dami pa nga eh. Sorry, di, much better to kasi sa Rapid Chow.
Talaga?
Oo. Sarap the best. Eh, ang sarap. Si Mami, gutom na katabi. Busy siya.
Parang ano, pag
We're going guys into Elements in Newtown Plaza. It's our brunch. Kahit umuulan, kumukha pa ako. We're here now guys. Basang-basa na ako. Good afternoon po.
Sige pa, assist na lang sila. Here you go, sir. Cake ko lang pa.
Thank you, for sure.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Eh,
Sir, free to
Hey.
naman tayo yung seating natin if you want. Sige.
tea. All the cakes. Let's see. Ano tayo kumain? Eh, may Shanghai. Favorite ko Shanghai. Meron silang chop suey, like roasted chicken. Grilled pork. Pork belly. Fish fillet. Pinay spaghetti style. Chicken kawale. Oh, some pastries. Wow, I love pastries. What is this? It's empty. What's that? Cream puff? What? Cinnamon, okay. Sour potato, black pepper. Wow, I love this. Prawns, broccoli. I love broccoli. Yang chop, right? Some soup, boiled soup, and lomi. Ooh, lomi. And some bean soup. Okay. And some. I don't know what is this. I think this is gelatin, I guess. Oh, kakanin, rambutan, watermelon. You can preheat that if you want. Wow, this is a massive gelatin. I've never seen in that. Like, this is a pineapple, I guess, with whipped cream. Some hot stuff. It's salad. Let's sit outside, guys. Eh, umuulan. I want to go to swimming. So, mag-swimming. Pero umuulan. Unfortunately, ang lamig. Look at it, guys. Oh my gosh. Gusto ko mag-swimming anyway. Eh, gusto ko na swimming kaya bawal. Oh, anyway. So, we go inside again, right? Say soon. Oy, madam, bawal yan. Dami naman. Salad na naman. Oh, meron pala ito. Hindi nga pansin. Sir, bawal yan, sir. Bawal po yan, sir. Ano yan? Okay. Yung tao din, dami rin. So, kaya mo na ako, guys. See ya. So, ito yung beef brisket. I think this is lechon. This is grilled yampo, fish fillet, Shanghai and broccoli, and roasted chicken. Kay mami ay may salad na naman.
Yes. Salad first.
Yeah, let's go. Taste test, boys. I mean, this is the black pepper beef pala. I'm so sorry, hindi pa ito biscuit. Diba? Okay.
Pero siya na.
Very tough. Oh, that's good too. You see? Sarap yun eh. Sarap.
Ang dami na.
Wali.
Spray.
Hindi yan po nila. Hindi na ito.
Oh, that's good too. And grillian po. Grillian po para nagpunta ng night market lang last night. Sarap good. And broccoli.
Yung cheese na. Sino yung katulad sa
And I think this is lechon The dijon sauce was good. Good. At yung lomi di.
Lomi. Pares.
And then, hindi ko kaya. Oh, sorry about that. Kanta ko lang sa inyo guys. Ito ay Pares ni Diwata. Ay, joke lang. Hindi Pares ni Diwata. Pares ng Baguio pala to. Ng Newton Plaza. Joke? Buka din. Oh. It's actually good too. I'm not big fan of Pares, but it's actually good here. Actually, it's good.
Hindi sinasabay.
Yeah, it's good. I like it.
Oh, dito 150. Tawag yun. How's this spaghetti? Good. Dapat.